In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add Google reviews to your Wix website in a few steps. Now, all you have to do, guys, you want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to do that. Now, the first thing, guys, you want to do, you want to search for ELF site. We are going to use this website to add Google reviews to your Wix website. This is very important. So search for ELF site. And after that, guys, you want to select the first website that says here 80 plus website widgets to grow your business ELF site apps. Now select the first website, and after that, guys, if you don't have an account, click on sign up free in the top right. Now if you already have an account, click on login. So I already have an account. I'm going to click login. Now after that, guys, this is how the website is going to look like. Now all you have to do, guys, you want to click on reviews, as you can see. Now after you click on reviews, you want to search here in the right, you want to search for Google reviews. If you can see it here, then click it. As you can see, I see it in the top here. Just click on create widget. Okay, guys, now the next step, guys, you want to select how you want your customers to see the reviews. Like, for example, you can select any template here. For example, I'm going to select like, you can scroll down, you can select any template here. Okay, now after you select, guys, your template, you want to click on continue with this template, and then you can customize your Google reviews. Like, you can customize this if you want. You can click here where it says layout. You can change the layout. You can click on appearance. As you can see, you can change the colors. As you can see, you can click on where it says here settings. You can change multiple things. You can change the language of the reviews. You can change the, you can also as you can see, it says show verified. Like if you want these people to be verified, as you can see here. Now after you customize your Google reviews, you want to click on add to website. As you can see, it says here add to website. Now after that, it will give you a code that we are going to use on your Wix website. Okay, now after, like, it will ask you to select a plan, by the way. So select the free one if you want. I like to select free plan. So after you select the one, it will give you this code. You want to click on it. You want to click on this code here, and it says here copied. Now next thing, guys, you want to do, you want to go to your Wix website. Okay, you want to select the website that you want to add Google reviews to, and then click add elements, this plus button in the top left. Click on it, and then scroll down and click on embed code. As you can see, it says here embed code. Now after you click on embed code, you want to click on embed HTML. If you don't see it here, just search for embed HTML, click on it, and then it will ask you here to enter the code that you have copied from ELF site apps. Now you want to go back, like I said, and enter that code here and click on update. Now you can move your reviews anywhere you want. Okay, you can move it and you can put it anywhere you want on your Wix website. Now hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.